Welcome. Today we'll explore the strategic responsibilities within a defense enterprise. Regardless of the country, these organizations are the backbone of national security, ensuring technology, cybersecurity, and communication. Systems are ready to support military operation. So let's dive into key areas. First is the Ministry and Department of Defense IT and Security Divisions. First, Defense IT and Security Divisions develop strategies to secure national defense systems. They focus on digital modernization, resource allocation, and crafting security policies that safeguard military operations. Next, Cyber Defense Command. Next, Cyber Defense Command, or equivalent nito, is units to protect military networks and critical infrastructure. These teams conduct offensive and defensive operations to defend national interests and counteract cyber threats. And lastly, nakalagay sa slides na to, Defense Communication Networks. It is to secure communication to a new essence. Defense enterprise manage national and international military communication systems. Next, the Joint Operational Commands. During the missions, Joint Operational Commands integrate IT systems for intelligence, logistics, and surveillance, enabling secure and effective coordination. Next is the National Cybersecurity. On a broader level, national cybersecurity that they set defense-wide policies and train personnel, while service branch IT naman, sa pinaka-right side natin, specific to their operational needs, such as Army, Navy, or Air Force na makikita natin sa ngayon. Next is the Defense Procurement. International cooperation is critical defense organizations aligned sa IT and cybersecurity with allies like NATO to ensure secure communication and joint operations. Additionally, partnerships with the private sector and contractors drive innovation while adhering to strict security standards. Finally, continuous workforce ensures personal training are in the latest and cybersecurity practices. Research and innovation agencies explore technologies keeping defense enterprise one step ahead evolving threats. In summary, dito nakalagay din the International Defense Cooperation Allies. It denotes that the country has not hindi lang sarili nila, but yung cooperation and allies. And lastly, yung sa EFP nga, yung training workforce and development. So to conclude this, defense enterprises worldwide share a common mission to secure, innovate, and collaborate for national and global security. Thank you for joining us as we unravel this topic.